Good morning, guys. Gonna do a 4-mile hike up to Alpine Lake for some native West Slope cutthroat trout fishing. Fish won't be very big, but the scenery is gonna be beautiful. It's spring still in the mountains. I think it just iced out probably in the last week or two, so I'm really hoping that those cutthroats will be in their spring spawning splendor. Got a nice overcast day. Got 2,500 feet of elevation gain to go. Sidra's down there taking pictures of wildflowers. But it's an absolutely stunning day. Let's get up there and catch some beautiful native trout. Oh, got him. Nice. Oh, he's a pretty male. Right, red belly. Wow, that thing is on fire. That's a fire belly. This is the fish I wanted to get here. Oh my God, look at the colors on that. That's why I come up here. These little jewels. There you go, look at the fire belly on that guy. Isn't that cool? What a gorgeous little fish. Just a stunning male. West Slope cutthroat. I like these little aquariums. I can keep their gills wet. They stay nice and cold, and I can enjoy the colors of the fish too. Pretty neat. All right, let's get this pretty little guy going. Nice thing is I kept him wet the whole time, so he'll be super energetic. There he goes. Cool. Oh, I wish this wind would go away. It's supposed to be calm today. It's definitely a little pushier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, I felt him on that one. See if he comes back. Oh, here comes one right here in front of me. Is he going to take it? No. Stepping on my running line. Here comes one. He's going to go for it. Yep. Got him. Nice. Right there in front of me. Another really pretty male. Smaller than that other one. Oh, he's gorgeous. Man, that is so pretty. Amazing. Off the fly already. Man, look at these colors. Look at the colors on this thing. That is so pretty. Gorgeous. All right, little buck.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I missed him.
Oh, I missed him. Oh, wait for it again. They're swirling around it. Oh! There you go.
They love the beetles.
That was cool. They like missed it a couple times, and he's like, you know what? I'm gonna eat that. I'll net him for you. Sweetie.
Oh, you got someone just took yours.
Right there?
Yep.
That's funny. We're getting massacred.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
And a pretty one.
Yeah, oh, he's a pretty male. Good old water bobber. Oh, that's pretty, sweetie. There's Sidra's pretty little male. Gorgeous, huh? Well, they like black ants and they like black beetles. But they didn't like your little beadhead nymph, huh?
They took it once, but they just weren't real committed.
They must be accustomed to mostly food blowing in here. I bet you this lake doesn't have a whole lot of aquatic invertebrates, so they mostly probably depend on terrestrials blowing into the lake, right? Because it's a low productivity lake. That makes sense. They depend on the buggies falling in from the outside. Oop. Here he goes. Boop. Got him. Nice. He looked at the bobber first, and then he was like, you know what? I know, I'm going to eat that beetle over there. Yeah, a little bit bigger.
I don't know. It's
Pretty. All the males are in that vibrant breeding plumage. Or breeding coloration, I guess I should say. They don't really have plumage. They're not birds. You gets it? There you go. That's my assist for you. Ugh. There we go. Got him. Finally got one on the ant again. Yep. Looks like it's another female. It's female. She's not as bright as the boys. There she is. And off the fly she is. So she's fat. She's got some eggs in there ready for the spawn. Okay, come here, sweetie. Oops, sorry.
Activity, really good activity.
There we go. She's much more subtle colors than the male. Really ornate spotting though, down towards the tail. That's characteristic, and you see that cut throat on there. See you later. All right, time for a fly change and a battery update. Well, Sidra just got a nice female. That's a big one. That's the big one of the day.
It's a female, yeah.
Yeah, she's pretty. Here she goes. I switched out to a bigger fly called a hippie stomper, and see if this will help me keep it on the surface. And it's got a lot larger profile, so we'll see if they like it or if they just only like the black ant. The black ant is smaller. You can see it's right here. Pretty waterlogged right now. Okay. Guess I'll go over here. I'm gonna fish out here. Okay. Well, I could definitely see that a lot better. Now the question is do the fish want to eat that? A bunch of activity over there. There's one right next to mine. There's got him. Nice. Hippie stomper works. Nice one. They may not be giants, but they sure are beautiful fish in a beautiful location. Another hen. We'll just do a quick release on her. Yeah. See ya. Oh. He slammed that. Did not get it though. Darn it. There we go. Ooh, did not float. Oh, didn't matter. Oh, lost him. Dang it. They're hungry over here.
Oh.
Another, just when I was retrieving it.
Yeah, I think because we've been casting over here.
Oh man, this is a nice male. Here. Oh wow, he is stunning. He's pretty. Look at this. Oh man, so pretty. That's a nice fish. Come here, buddy. See you, little buddy. My dry fly is not drying. It's just sinking.
I just get mine out so it dries, huh?
Yeah, they're not interested as much as if the dry isn't floating.
Is the fly restricted?
No. I think it's just because they're keyed in on terrestrials because there's nothing else to eat, right? Alright. I dry my fly out by doing this. Air dry it. 2 hairs and some air, as Bob Ross would say. Oh, there we go. As soon as that thing hit the water, he was like, oh, you need the last fish for the day? I will be the one. I won't hesitate for you. Sweet. Man, how pretty. How pretty. Come here, buddy. All right. That feels good when the sun comes out. Warm. All right, I'm gonna make that little hen my last fish of the day. It's been such a great few hours up here in the North Cascades, just catching these beautiful native West Slope cutties. They may not be giant, but boy, the scenery sure does make up for it. All right, guys, I'll put links to the setup I was using today, as well as Sidra's water bobber rig. We might enjoy just a few more hours of fishing just without the camera, since it's such a lovely day up here. But we do have some ominous clouds building over there, and you just never know in the mountains. That weather can turn really fast. I'll see you guys next time. Just remember, fish smarter, not harder.